Let me show you how to back up your Signal chats. If you're trying to switch your phones and want all of your chats backed up so that you can have all of your messages recovered on your new device as well, let me show you the way that you can do it. You can head over to the three dotted line on the top right and then head over to settings. From the settings list, if you scroll down a bit, you see the section called backups. Now previously Signal had only the option of backing up to your own device, meaning you could save it inside of a particular folder inside of the device you're using, but it now has a new feature which lets you back up all of your messages using the end-to-end encryption. You can tap on the setup option on the top if you want to use the new beta version. You can tap on the enable backups option on the bottom and then tap on the view recovery key. You'll get a 64 character code you will need to restore your backups. So you can tap on the view recovery key and make sure you store this recovery key in a safe place so that you can use this recovery key for a different device to actually recover all of your messages. It says right here, if you lose it, you won't be able to recover your messages. So you can just tap on the view recovery key option. And this is going to be the recovery key you need. You can just tap on the copy to clipboard option, or you can also save it to your password manager if you do use one, and then tap on next on the bottom right. To actually enable the backup, you'll need to paste in the recovery key right here and then tap on next on the bottom right. Now you'll have two options, a free plan and a paid plan as well. For now, you can just select the free plan option and then tap on the choose free plan option. And there you go, your backup now has been enabled, which means you can now chat with other people without having the worry of losing all of your messages. So that's the way that you can back up the Signal chats. If this guide video was helpful, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe if you guys are interested in more future videos.